nice mid-tone value to start from. Pastel landscapes and working with pastel. Pastel is one of my favorite media. As we work on the drawing, hopefully that glare will go away a little bit. Looking at the areas that are light. And of course, the majority of the flower is going to be light. So many different ways to draw. And I think some of these areas I'm going to petal right here on the upper outer part, I guess, has a dark edge and then it gets light. Strong edge right here. So I'm going to go ahead and bring that one down. I'm going to try to bring it down with one indication of this petal that's in the back here. At that point, that's probably when you'd need to apply a little bit more charcoal in that case. A little bit further. Just erase. I use these a lot with my house portraits. You can really bring it home here. We're just making them a little bit stronger. Hopefully you can start to see that contrast happening, and take the paper towel and kind of smudge it together a little bit. Go ahead and push the dark, just like I pushed the dark areas. I'm gonna go ahead and push some of the lighter areas as well. Size that's something like this. Yeah, some of these areas I can really make a lot lighter. Good idea to do things like that often. But this is a charcoal rendering, and it allows you to start with a mid-tone surface and focus on the highlighted areas instead of the shaded areas that we're used to. So it helps you see things the way that we actually see things in light and dark.
Become a member and gain access to over 45 hours of art instruction, including weekly live 1-hour lessons and special video courses like the Secrets to Drawing video course, which teaches you the fundamentals of drawing. To become a member, just visit thevirtualinstructor.com/members and subscribe today.